Hello guys, review Xiaomi 70T, this version 12GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have protected back cover and Type-C cable, device in the pink color, and that's all completion. 6.6-inch display, on this side power button, volume buttons, downside Type-C speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM cards without controls on this side, and on the back side we have triple camera. Okay, turn on device. We have Android 16 and Xiaomi Hyper OS version 3. Open Geekbench 6. We have MediaTek MT6899 or MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra. GPU we have MediaTek Mali G720, and look results: single core score results, multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Okay, close this, undo the benchmark. Okay, perfect. 2 million points, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load and looks graphic. We have max graphic level and ultra frame rate. Very good. Games works perfect. Okay, close this. Now look camera. We have zoom camera 120x, 5 optical zoom 5x, video we can record 4K 60 fps, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.